So in my last video, I briefly talked about the pattern Bible, and I had questions from people telling me to expatiate what a pattern Bible means. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be calling it a pattern manual. So in this video today, I'm going to be telling you how to create a pattern manual and what it is all about, as well as the importance of a pattern manual. So if it's something you're interested in, stick around, keep watching this video, and let's get right into the video. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. It's been quite a while, I think 9 days or 10 days, I don't know, but happy new month. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Lola Oluwashosi, and this is my channel, Everything Lola, where I talk about fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. I also have a sewing channel where I do strictly sewing tutorials, cutting, drafting, and stitching, everything sewing. The channel is Lola Oluwashosi. If you scroll on my homepage or check the description box of this video, you are going to see that channel. So welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you more. I'm going to be expatiating and telling you more about a pattern manual, what it's all about, and the importance of it, and how to create a pattern manual. It's something, I'm not going to say it's something I formed, because it's something I learned in my fashion business class I had about last year. I learned it in a class I took. It's called a pattern manual in that my business class, but I just gave it a name. I usually call it my pattern Bible, but for the sake of this video, like I said, I'm going to be calling it a pattern manual. So what is a pattern manual? A pattern manual is simply, like the name states, a book. This book can be either in written form or document form, whichever way you like to document your things. But now it is something I learned in business class, like I said, and it has been helping me, and I would advise you to take it up, especially if you are looking to hire people or you're looking to expand your team. You don't want to sew alone anymore, you want to expand your team. This is going to help you. So we have, let me just break it down because I want this video to be really quick. We have what we call master patterns. If you don't know about pattern drafting, you can read it up. We have what we call master patterns. And what is a master pattern? You can literally use a master pattern to draft any style. So we have master patterns, and this is the basic bodice pattern, the basic skirt pattern, the basic knicker, or the basic trouser pattern. Those are what you call your master pattern, because if you really look at it, I forgot to add your basic sleeve pattern. So your basic sleeve pattern, your basic bodice pattern, your basic skirt pattern, and then your basic trouser or shorts pattern. I think you can put it as one. So those are like the four major master patterns we have. And if you really look at it, well, if you know about pattern drafting, you would see, or you would know that you can literally use these four master patterns to draft anything, whichever style you want to draft, be it ashwabi, be it wedding dresses, any style you want to draft. You have to create a master pattern. It is from your master pattern that you would bet those styles. For example, before you can make a corset, you have to draft out a basic bodice pattern. For example, before you want to make a bustier, you have to draft a basic bodice pattern. Before you make a blazer, you have to draft a basic bodice pattern. Before you make a flare skirt, it comes from a straight skirt, and then you start manipulating your patterns and things like that. I hope you understand what I mean. So you need to know how to draft the master pattern first of all. So what is a pattern manual? A pattern manual is simply a book or somewhere you document every single step on how to draft a pattern to your tastes. So you have taken so many classes and now have your brand. You make clothes like skirts, you make clothes to sell. Basically, you want to maintain quality that would be the same. So let me give this example. Let me use Vicky James as example for those that know Vicky James. If you see a Vicky James style anywhere, even if it's a skirt, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to say this is a Vicky James dress. If you see a two-boss design anywhere, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to say this is a two-boss design. This is because they've worked so hard to make sure that they are not the ones sewing. I don't think they are sitting on a machine to sew every single piece that comes out of their fashion house or comes out of their brand. But even when they have people working for them, they've come to that position, or they've come to that place where every single design will be the same, will look the same, even when they have over 10, 20, 30, 40, and as the case may be, people making those designs for them, it's the same. They may not have a pattern Bible, but I advise, especially people that are just starting to have a pattern manual, what you want to do is wherever you're going to record these things, make sure you have the way you make your master patterns, the way you make them, document them in a book first of all, and then every other design you can think of that is peculiar to your brand. So if you know your own brand is palazzo at top, that is peculiar to you, and that's what you sell, you need to record it in a place step by step. And when I say step by step, I mean step by step, from fold your paper into two, draw a straight line, draw a vertical line, step 3, draw this, step 4. So you want to put that in steps. It can be up to 10 steps, can be up to 15 steps. So what happens after you've documented this? I usually tell people that if you don't have anything you're doing for a particular time, maybe you don't have clients you're working with, and you feel like it's free time, it's not necessarily free time. You should use that time to take care of the business part of your brand. So now you want to get that record of all your patterns that is peculiar to your brand, aside the master patterns, put it in step-by-step presentation and keep it. That's your pattern manual. So what happens is that when you employ new people, you don't want the case where you're employing 5 different tailors and you tell them to make a skirt for your brand and the 5 skirts look different. One, the hip is looking funny, one, the under is looking funny, or the finishing is not the same, because they don't know exactly how you do your things. So when you create that manual that you have put out everything, how you draft your pattern step by step, word for word, you want to now give it to those people that are working for you. If you employ somebody to work for you, the first 1 week, the first 2 weeks, the first 3 weeks, the first 1 month, depends on how smart or how they can take in information. I don't know if you get what I mean. You want to give them that time to digest and read your pattern manual first before they think of picking up a paper to draft any pattern, before they're thinking of picking up a scissors to cut any pattern or any style for you. It will really help your brand to maintain one look. Your designs are not just going to be all over places. They are not just going to know your designs because your tag is on the design, but because of how the design looks. It looks the same. Whether you are in Paris, Egypt, anywhere you are, your design would look the same. I hope you understand what I mean. Now, if you are concerned about the intellectual property part of your pattern making, you want to try to have your employees go through the legal process. So if they are signing something, non-disclosure, whatever it is you want them to do, but a lawyer is going to help you. You should have your lawyer, no matter how small you are. A lawyer is going to help you to figure that out. But that's what I usually advise people to do. It is very simple. I don't know if I should show a sample of mine, but it's simple. I don't think I need to show you a sample of mine. Just put it, when you get the book, you put it there: skirt pattern, basic bodice pattern, sleeve pattern, and then the way you draft your distance. It doesn't have to be the way that person drafted. You already sew you've been sewing for a while, and you know what works for you. You know how your designs want to look. So the way you draft them, you're going to put them step by step. There are 2 ways to put them step by step, and make sure all your clients, all your tailors, all your pattern drafters digest these things before they start working for you. Except you just want to get pattern drafters that know what they know how to do, and then they just do the work for you. But if you want it to be done the way you want it to be done, especially for people that have the problem of I like my things being done the way I want it to be done. Yes, I understand, but you can't do everything on your own. If not, you're going to really, really run yourself down. So try to place like pattern manuals and SOPs and things like that your people would follow. Then another thing I just want to chip in, this one is it's not basically concerning this topic, but I usually advise people to register your business. So try to register your business. I registered my business, I think, back in 2020, or sorry, not 2020, maybe 2021, because the name I used, I really love that name, and I wanted to make sure the name does not disappear. That's why I quickly registered my business. So if you know you have a name that is peculiar to your brand and you have not registered your business till now, you've not registered your business, like you know, registered your business under CAC, you don't have your business name registered, basically, I advise you to do it as quickly as you can, especially if you figured out a name to use, so that when it's time, when you want to register that name, and especially if you've done maybe branding and everything for your business, then when you want to register that name, you find that name has been taken. So basically, make hay while the sun shine. If you're interested in registering like your business, you can let me know. I can link you up to where I registered mine. I think it was about 20k. I don't know if that's still right. That was about 20k. I can ask, but if you're interested in registering your business, let me know, and I'm going to hook you up with where I did mine. So that is it for this video. We've come to the end of this video, and I'm glad that the video was not as long as I thought it to be. Yeah, so if you have any questions about pattern manual, if you have maybe suggestion on any video you want me to do, let me know. I still owe you a lot of videos, especially pricing video, how to price your clothes for customers, how to price your product as a fashion designer. It's still a video I owe you guys. It's just that I've been very busy. You know, it has a lot of calculation, and I've been very busy, but I'm going to try and make sure I do it. But for now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section. This video is a video somebody asked for, so your suggestion or your question will just be the next video you see on my channel. Yeah, and that is it. And thank you again for hitting that subscribe button that you've not hit till now, to the end of this video. And if you love this video, you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like the video, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Until then, keep winning.